Hey, I just wanted to show how you can actually submit a Webflow form to a Google Sheet using a service called SheetMonkey. It's at SheetMonkey.io. And it's actually really easy. You don't need any JavaScript or anything like that. It just works out of the box. So I'm just going to show you how this works. First, what you want to do is go to the SheetMonkey site and get started. And you're going to create a new form. And for the Webflow form, you're just going to select a blank sheet and click Save. It'll automatically fill out the fields. Cool. And so what that's going to give you is this blank sheet. It's going to give you a form action. You can just copy that to your clipboard. And back in your Webflow site, you just create a form block. All right. So here's a place where I've just created a form block and drug it over here. Then I'm going to go into click on the settings, show all settings for this form block. And in that action, in the action field here, I'm just going to paste that URL I got from SheetMonkey. I'm going to make it post. I need to set the method to post. Cool. So that should be done. And I'm just going to show you how this works. I'm actually also going to change the name. The name is good. Just check the names on these. Yeah, name and email. Perfect. All right. So let's preview this to see how it looks. So I'm just going to put in, my name is Levi, levis.testing.com, and hit submit. Oh, gotta publish the site first. Then we'll take a look at it. So I'm going to go to the contact here. I'm going to put in the name, testing.com. I put in the email address. I'm going to hit submit. And that submits the form. And if I actually go to that sheet that was linked, and I look in there, you'll see that my name and the email automatically got sent straight into this Google form. And then, from there you can do the rest. So it's pretty easy. It doesn't require any JavaScript or anything like that.